body white. Sketch outline of your moth and use a cotton bud to get an equal wingspan. Fill in the brown colours on the body and use small strokes for a fair effect. Fill in the antenna and add small details to the skull. Fill in the gold parts and add yellow eyeliner for a fair definition. Fill in the bottom wings and outline your top wings. Fill the rest of the abdomen blue and add blue strokes and add bottom wing detail. Fill the top wings roughly, then go over with brown eyeshadow. Add your white details. Shade and highlight the wings. Add gold and brown to eyes for a base, and then add yellow shadow to the gold and apply glitter. Contour using a grey eyeshadow. Add black liquid liner in a wing, apply lip liner and a dark lipstick. Add contacts and a wig to bring your look together.